what is Oemeta have that is so attractive to the industry right now?
You know, I think really what it comes down to is the ability to control the process. That's what it comes, for coolant, it's all about maintenance, the ability to control it simply and understand it, and about education. And I think that what we offer probably more than some of our competitors is the overall ability to educate the customer and just lay everything flat on the table and say, this is what we're going to do, this is what's going to happen, there's the possibility of failures, here's how we're going to get around them, rather than trying to make empty promises to them.